Did you know that cats purr to heal themselves? And just like them, we can use sounds that vibrate the water within us to promote self-healing. Now, let's take a moment to explore these sounds. Close your eyes and begin to make the sound zzzz, focusing on the subtle vibration in your mouth, your throat, and your chest. Feel what vibration resonates with you the most. Let's begin. Take a deep inhale. Now take a moment to see how this sound resonates in your body. Let's move on to the sound zzz, focusing on the vibration in your head, your chest, and your mouth. See what resonates most to you. Inhale. Now take a moment to reflect on the sensations in your body. Now we're gonna make the sound focusing mostly on the vibration in your chest and your nose. Notice the comfort that it brings. Inhale. Feel the sensations in your body. Now that we've explored each sound individually, let's experience the full range of vibrations. We'll combine the sound zh, z, and then flowing together. Find a comfortable position and we start in 3, 2, 1. Thank you for taking your time and doing something positive for yourself. And remember, you can always use these sounds to create a calming vibration anytime you need to relax.